Hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today, and this is paying homage to all my Canadian subscribers. Big up on yourself. Okay, so now the Canadian flag is red and white, but if I had fused red and white, pink would have gotten into the mix, and I didn't want that. So instead of choosing white, I chose to go with a silver glitter, and I use Glittery from Too Faced, and this is from the collab that they did with NIKKIE Tutorials. So I use that on my lips. I'm wearing Retro Matte Ruby Woo, and this was in a MAC special collection, so I think this was a limited edition. And as you can tell, I use a lot of reds, and I use black, and I covered it up with red, so it looks like a really dark red look. And yeah, for my blush, I use the same 63 blush for my blush as well as my eyeshadow, because this thing is hella pigmented. For my glow, I used Dim Light, and this is my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. So that's it basically, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. My lashes are from my lash line Pomade by Lyric, and these are Fashionista. Yeah, I haven't used this lipstick in forever. But yes, this is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed. And again, shout out to all my subscribers from Canada. If you're from other countries, don't worry, your girls got you. I'm gonna do other looks, rep in other countries. Yeah, yeah. So that's basically it for this intro, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. No. I always telling you no bye. It is enjoy the video. Enjoy the video. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm dusting off what was left on my brush. This is the brush I used to blend up my eyebrow concealers and stuff. So I'm just using what's left on the brush, just on my lid, just to, for like a smooth like canvas. I didn't have to, but I just felt like doing it, and I did. So next I'm going with Primavera, I believe this color is called. No, it's called Red Ochre. So I'm taking Red Ochre and I'm putting it all over in my crease. Then I'm taking my number 63 blush from INGLOT, and I'm putting this below where I placed Red Ochre. So Red Ochre has like an orangey thing to it, like slightly, but this one is like a full-on red in comparison to Red Ochre, and that's going all over my crease. Now I'm taking my Lash Tight Lash Glue, because I'll be using Glitterally. That's the name of the glitter from Too Faced Cosmetics. It's the collab they did with NIKKIE Tutorials, and I'll be taking that. So to adhere my glitters, I use Lash Glue. And it said the Lash Glue is black. It can be black, it can be clear. It really does not matter. Then I'm taking a flat synthetic brush to apply my glitter. I've taken like goat hair brush or like natural hair brushes to apply my glitter. I don't mind them, but I prefer using a brush that I just may ruin, and those natural hair brushes tend to be on the more expensive side. So I'm taking this and I'm applying it all over my eyelid. So I'm just dabbing, what the hell is that word? I'm just dabbing into the Glitterally and then just placing it on my eyes, and that's all I'm doing basically. Now this glitter, I got so much compliments this day, so much compliments. It has like gold in it, but this video is doing it no justice. I promise you, no justice. It's doing this video no justice. I mean, the glitter, it turn up. You know what it do, Canada. You know what it do. You know, I have to go on with my black eyeliner pencil. And what I love about this look is that it looks like you did a whole heap of work, when you did not. It's just two eyeshadows, glitter, and like a black eyeliner pencil. Like, that's just all I did. So I'm just drawing like a wing, and eventually I'm going to go over this black eyeliner with the number 63 INGLOT blush. And the reason why I used the black is because I didn't have a red pencil that could have given me the color payoff that I wanted, because I wanted like a deep red. So I'm taking the same black. You can hear Jonathan in the background. I'm taking the same black and I'm putting it on my waterline as well as my lash line. Your lash line, that's where your lashes grow from, and your waterline, that's the wet part right before it gets to your eyeball of your eyes. Alright, next I'm taking my SACHA Buttercup, and I'll be using this to set my brow bone area. I've been doing this for a real long time. Even for my clients, I use the loose powder to set the brow bone area, because I find that it just works. So it allows the natural brow bone color to show what you're working with, and it just works. It works well with the look, and I like it. I'm going back in with the same brush. I didn't add any product on it. This is the brush I used to apply my number 63 blush from INGLOT. There's no product on the brush, as in I didn't go and add anything else. This is just what's on the brush. I'm using to blend my brow bone color that I just placed, the SACHA, with my crease with my crease color, so it looks like one smooth transition. Now I'm taking my INGLOT number 63 Yes, blush from INGLOT number 6. Yes, my INGLOT number 63 blush, and I'm going on top of the black. You see how it's coming out like a deep red? Yes, honey. Yes, that's what black does. Black allows the darker tones of the color to come through. If I had put white there as the background, it would have been a lot lighter because white allows the lighter colors to come through, which y'all can learn in my classes. Coming the 10th of December, if it's not already gone. I don't know what number I'm on, guys, but it's the 10th of December through to the 12th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and I'm just showing what I do. All I do, I just go over the same blush, number 63 from INGLOT, and I'm going over the black eyeliner that I use, the black eyeliner pencil, and I'm doing this for the wing, and I'm also doing it for my lower lash line. So now I'm going back over at the edges there to create like a circular shape, so it ends abruptly. That's what I want. I don't want the glitter to blend in with the eyeshadow. I want there to be an obvious separation of the two, and the black, applying the black right there did that for me. It allowed the separation to be quite obvious. Alright, so now I'm going back in. Watch out, I'm already telling what I do already, right? So what I will say before, what I will say. I put the blush, the INGLOT number 63. Yeah, my go-to blush. Blush is bad. I'm gonna put it right on top of the black eyeliner. Yeah. I'm sure you hear Jonathan. So this is the same lash glue, the black lash glue, the lash tight. And honestly, I don't like if I'm applying my lashes. It's amazing, it holds perfectly, but because I make mistakes in applying my lash, and oh, look at that look down though. I make mistakes applying my lash and it messes up my look. So now I'm just combing through my lashes with my spoolie, and I'm getting rid of the glitter, but most importantly, the glitter with the glue in it. So I'm getting rid of glue and glitter from my lashes. Oh girl, look at that eye look. Shouts out to Canada. Y'all inspired this look, man. So I'm using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. I believe I'm using dim light. The dim light is bay. Then back in with my number 63 blush, tapping off because you know she pigmented. Okay, she pigmented. She bright. She bright. She pigmented. Alright, and for my lips, as I said before in the intro, I'm using, this is a retro matte, and this is Ruby Woo, and this is from their holiday collection, I believe. This was limited edition. This is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much. 12 days of Christmas. This is my first look, so I have 11 more to go from countries around the world. If you are supporting my channel and what country you're in, hopefully I can feature it. I'm just going over with the brush that I used to do my powder work and just blending out my lips there. That's what I tend to do. Fold my lips in, then put the brush over it so it cleans up any color. And I'm going back over with the brush that I used to do my highlight for my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. That's the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Canada, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for the support over the years. Thank you. Of course, we have to have more blush. Bye, guys.
I've been doing this a long time. I mean, over half my life. So it's awesome for me to be able to put out music that people will actually hear. Especially when you put this much time into something that you love, something you have a passion for. That's motivation. I'm motivated.